How to fix Instagram filters and effects not showing. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if your Instagram does not have any filters. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check if your Instagram has filters or not. So just go ahead and head over to your story section. If you have filters here, you will see something like these, but if you don't have any, first thing you want to do is check if your Instagram is up to date. So just click on your Play Store and from here search for Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If you have an update button available like this, you just want to update the app right here. You see this update button, you just want to update the app like so. And after you have updated the app, you can check if your problem is solved. But if it still doesn't fix it, just go ahead and click on Instagram app info. Then you want to head over to the storage section and make sure to clear cache. And from here, quickly head over to the permission section and make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And finally, head over to your battery uses and then make sure it's on optimized. After doing this, give your phone a quick restart and then your problem should be fixed. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next